Microbes are the smallest living organisms on Earth, and although we cannot see them with the naked eye, they are everywhere, on our skin, in the air we breathe, in the soil, and even inside our bodies. When most people hear the word microbe, they immediately think of disease and infection. However, microbes are not only harmful, in fact, they are essential to life itself. They can bring sickness, but they also support the existence of every plant, animal, and human being on the planet. On one hand, certain microbes are indeed harmful. Bacteria and viruses can cause diseases such as the flu, tuberculosis, cholera, and many others. These tiny organisms can spread quickly and sometimes lead to fatal outcomes. Throughout history, outbreaks and epidemics have caused fear and suffering. Without proper treatment and hygiene, harmful microbes can devastate communities. Yet, the story of microbes does not end with harm. Many microbes are beneficial and play vital roles in nature. For example, in the human digestive system, there are billions of bacteria that help us break down food and absorb nutrients. Without these helpful microbes, our bodies would not function properly. In the soil, microbes help decompose dead plants and animals, turning them into nutrients that enrich the ground and allow new plants to grow. Even in food production, microbes are essential. They help make yogurt, cheese, and bread. If we imagine a world completely free of microbes, it may sound perfect at first: no diseases, no infections, no epidemics. But the truth is that life would not survive. Without microbes in the soil, plants would not be able to get the nutrients they need, and crops would die. Without microbes in our digestive system, our bodies would not absorb vitamins and minerals, and we would be weak and malnourished. Without microbes to break down waste and dead matter, the world would quickly become covered in decaying plants and animals, and the natural cycle of life would collapse. In conclusion, microbes are both harmful and beneficial, but their positive contributions far outweigh the negative. A world without microbes would not be healthier, it would be lifeless. We should respect these tiny organisms, understanding that while we must protect ourselves from the harmful ones, we must also appreciate